Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to take a look at some of the kitchens that we have looked at over the past year of 2023. These are some of, honestly, my favorite kitchens, or kitchens that I just felt were beautiful or unique in some way, shape, or form. So you're going to see a variety of design styles, a variety of decor styles. You're going to see some kitchens that are on the minimal side, some kitchens that are super colorful, some kitchens that are just a teensy bit maximalist. You're just going to see a variety that I'm sure most of you watching this video can relate to or will like in some way. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one, friends. friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.